With the launch of iPhone 10, Apple showed us a more intuitive way to interact with our smartphones using gestures. But using this method, it can be activated on almost any Android device. So, hey there, I'm Animesh, you're watching Everything Techie, and let's get started. Firstly, open a Play Store and search for navigation gestures. I'll also leave a link in the description so you can directly download it from there, and then install it and then open it. It will ask you to grant administrative permissions. Grant it and don't worry about it, it's from XDA, so I trust them. You can also trust them. And if you have a software navigation bar, you can replace it with the gestures. Enable USB debugging. And allow from this PC and type the following command. It should work now. Now you have navigation gestures on board and you can easily navigate to the like, share and subscribe button. Just saying, you can. It is pretty easy without navigation gestures too. So you can set actions for taps, swipes and whatnot. You can also support the developer by buying the pro version of the app, which will bring some more functionality and some new features. You can also set the animation, the vibration duration, the size, the shape of the pill. You can also change that, and even the color of the pill, and that too within the free version, so you don't really have to pay to gain the basic functionalities. So this is it for this video. Again, navigate to the like, share and subscribe button, and I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and have a nice day.